Are you tired of tedious cleaning routines that seem to go on forever? Stuck scrubbing floors while dreaming of a world where cleaning is fast, efficient, and dare we say, fun? Well, it's time to say goodbye to the old and hello to the future. In today's video, we're diving into the world of smart cleaning technology. Get ready to discover how innovative gadgets can revolutionize the way you clean your home. Oh, and we've got a special guest today, Dan the Cleaning Man. He's here to help us break down how these gadgets work and share a few cleaning tips you don't want to miss. Hey there, folks. Dan the Cleaning Man here, and I'm ready to show you how smart cleaning tools can turn your cleaning routine into a breeze. Let's do this. Let's rewind for a second and think about how far cleaning technology has come. From scrubbing clothes on washboards to pushing clunky vacuums, the journey has been long and honestly, exhausting. Yeah, back in the day, cleaning wasn't just a chore, it was an all-day workout. Trust me, I've been there. But fast forward to today, and cleaning gadgets have evolved into something straight out of a sci-fi movie. With smart technology, cleaning isn't just easier, it's smarter, faster, and more efficient. First up, the gadget that's been stealing the show in homes worldwide, the robot vacuum. These little guys? Oh, they're a lifesaver. It's like having a mini cleaning assistant that doesn't talk back. These little guys are no longer just basic floor cleaners. Advanced models now come equipped with AI-powered navigation that creates detailed maps of your home to clean every nook and cranny. Obstacle detection so you can finally stop rescuing your vacuum from socks or rogue Lego pieces. And let's not forget the models that can vacuum and mop at the same time. And the best part? You don't even have to lift a finger. Well, except to turn it on. Speaking of multitasking, let's talk about smart mops. These aren't your average water and cloth mops. Smart mops are a game changer. It's like your mop went to college and got a tech degree. Smart mops combine precision spraying, intelligent scrubbing patterns, and self-cleaning capabilities. Here's why you'll love them. They can target specific areas like that sticky spot under the dining table. They're eco-friendly, using just the right amount of water and cleaning solution. And when they're done, many come with sleek docking stations that handle charging and maintenance. Whether it's spaghetti sauce on the kitchen floor or pet paw prints, these mops handle it like pros. Trust me, I've tested them all. But wait, there's more. Smart cleaning isn't limited to just floors. Let's explore gadgets for every room in your home. In the kitchen, self-cleaning ovens and smart dishwashers take the hassle out of tackling grease and grime. In the bathroom, automatic toilet cleaners and self-cleaning shower systems keep this space sparkling with minimal effort. And for your bedroom, air purifiers with smart sensors keep the air fresh and clean, making allergens a thing of the past. What's great is these devices don't just clean, they make your life easier. And honestly, who doesn't want that? What makes these gadgets even more impressive? The apps that go with them. From scheduling cleaning sessions to monitoring progress, smart cleaning apps put you in total control. And don't even get me started on voice commands. Hey Alexa, clean the living room. Boom, done, it's like magic. Now you might be wondering, do these gadgets really work, or are they just techie toys? The answer? Yes, they work, and often better than traditional methods. They're especially great for busy individuals who need to save time, pet owners dealing with fur and messes, people with allergies who need deep clean spaces. Let me tell you, as someone who cleans for a living, these tools aren't just helpful, they're lifesavers. You'll thank yourself for the investment. But before you jump into the world of smart cleaning, there are a few things to keep in mind. Check if the device is compatible with your home's Wi-Fi or smart assistant. Be aware of maintenance requirements, like emptying a robot vacuum or updating its software. And of course, consider your budget. These gadgets can range from affordable to luxury-level prices. Remember, folks, it's all about finding the right tool for your needs. You don't need the fanciest gadget, just the one that works best for you. Smart cleaning gadgets are more than just tech trends. They're game changers for how we manage our homes. So, whether you're tackling dust bunnies, sticky floors, or pet hair, there's a smart solution out there for you. Don't wait. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with someone who could use a cleaning upgrade. See you in the next one.